Are we... Yeah, it's recording. Good. Hello! I'm still really tired. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. In this video, I will instruct you in the articulation of animal noises. How do I make the words appear? I'll figure it out. First, one I'm sure you will know, rather an easy one. Everyone knows this. Giraffe. Giraffes, as I'm sure you're aware, go badgers. Again, nice easy one. Badgers go you know, when they're angry. When they're not, they go badgers are always at least irritable. They're never just, like, happy. They're mean. They're really mean. They hiss and they scratch and they're mean. Don't fight with a badger. It's a bad idea. Sheep and goats and things, I'm sure you know, go "Ah!" Steve goes in case you don't know, Steve is the name I give to xenomorphs to make them less terrifying. They're not typically, you know, scary in the films. I mean, they kind of are, but I've seen them a bunch of times. No, I renamed her Steve because Alien Isolation was too freakish and I couldn't go on. I needed to call her Steve so that I would be less afraid of Steve. Her, Steve. The old woman goes, "He tried to eat my raiment!" I don't know what part of you is your Raymond, and I don't want to know. The horse goes You know, when it's being run over by a tractor. Squirrels just make sweet little sounds, like the eagle, surprisingly, goes you know, it's the hawk that goes I mean, that was terrible, but yeah. Hang on, I can do that. Hawk noises. That is incredibly painful. Let's see. The dolphin goes the darling, sweet little kitten goes ow, 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 ow. And if they're feeling musical, meow 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 meow. No, no, no! The snake goes, what's up, mate? Roar! Dog goes actually dogs make quite a broad range of noise, anything from to to or even a horse who's not being smooshed by a tractor goes my throat hurts, so I'm having some limitations. Let me think. Blue hair. Oh, come on, that's terrible. I can do that. I can do it better. I can do that. Come on. Oh well. I guess seagulls go. Male owl. Tweet. Female owl. Twoo. Call and response, you see. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. Tweet. Twoo. 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 Twee. The tiny little ticks that live inside your eyelashes go. Which is unusual. Most arachnids and things, most arachnids, insects, and other tiny beetly things, the shells and the... Most of these things, arthropods, that's it, just kind of with their weird triangle mouths. Bears go. And cockroaches go. My bones go crunch, apparently. We're all familiar with fox sounds, aren't we, Foxy? Oh, you don't want to be left out of the video? Alright, come here, love. Will you let out a scream for us? Well, my throat hurts. He says he wants me to do it so he can later mock me at how inept I am. Bloody foxes. You're right, I'm sorry, that was racist. I am not apologizing. Except I suppose I already did. You win this round, Foxy. So, yeah. As we're aware, from our darling Mr. Foxington, they make those weird little twee little sort of whistling noises with their teeth. But also bloody weird, right? Yeah, well, shut up. Ow! Did you just bite me? That's unacceptable. Bad fox. I wish I didn't have to do this. Naughty. Naughty thing. Now, are you sorry? It's okay. I love you. I hate having to do that, but sometimes you force my hand. I'm sorry you had to see that, gentlemen. And ladies, of course. But some things are unavoidable. So, foxes. Wolves, kind of covered with the dogs. I mean, canines, so. Except wolves are lupine. And their howl is a little different, actually. It's more like... what else? Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Shoot. Away with you. Go and practice. Practice the sounds, I say. Practice them. As I approach the camera, I get shorter, yet taller. And this is what my eye looks like up close. Isn't it beautiful? Ciao.